Now, wear and tear allowance. You need to know that it is usually granted on items that are used to run the business. So that's the key thing, that this one is granted. It is granted on items that assist to run the business. When you talk of the items that assist to run the business, what are these items? You can generally look at any business. For example, if you take an example of a bank, what do they normally help them to run that particular bank? When you go to a bank and you look around, you find that there are chairs. You'll find that there are CCTV cameras. You'll find there are computers, printers, so that when you deposit money, a receipt is given to you, printed and given to you. So all these are the ones that assist to run that particular bank. If you go to a school, you normally find they have chairs, they have computers, they have telephone to call their customers, the students, probably the parents. They normally have printers. Sometimes you find a building has partition to help students to concentrate in one room, the other, so that they are not interfered by the student in another room. So this assists to run that particular school. So those items are the one that we are saying we normally give them the wear and tear allowance. Now, what you need to know, when you are claiming the wear and tear allowance, items that qualify for wear and tear allowance are divided or given wear and tear allowance are at three rates. So we have that items that qualify for wear and tear allowance are divided into three rates. So any one of those items must fit in one of those. One, we have WTA at 25%. So WTA at 25%. So what are these items that qualify for wear and tear allowance at the rate of 25%? So these items include they are actually three items, but in broad of the items, like we have A, all vehicles. So when you see a vehicle, know that qualifies for wear and tear allowance at the rate of 25%. And we have said that is a broad term, because what are the examples of these vehicles? There are so many. Vehicle is any equipment that has a motor that assists it to run, to move around. So we are talking about which ones? I'll list them there, just some of them, but there are so many. So if you find an item like a grader, tractors, caterpillars, you find lorries, buses, you find saloon cars, you find sports utility vehicles, motorbike, tuk-tuk, all these ones are the items that we are saying they qualify for wear and tear, 25%, under vehicles. You can add another one here, prime, transit, goods movers. These are those heavy vehicles that move cargos. You normally find them like with a container, pushing a container or pulling a container. Those are prime transit good movers. So they are all under vehicles and they qualify for wear and tear allowance at the rate of 25%. That is A, under 25. B, we have computers and its attachments. So you find a computer, know that it's supposed to be wear and tear allowance at the rate of 25%. If you find something that is attachable to a computer, also 25%. So when you talk of items that are attachable to a computer, there are several. So let us name a few of them. So example of items to be attached to a computer, include so I want us to list them here. So they include, we can have printers, photocopiers, duplicators, softwares, flash disks, websites, programs, scanners, etc. And any other item that you come across that can be attached to a computer, it's supposed to be 25%, and a computer and its attachments, 25%. Then we have the third one. So we call this C. Still under wear and tear allowance, 25%. After vehicles, computers and its attachment, we have here a cash register and calculators. So you come across them, know they qualify for wear and tear allowance at the rate of 25%. So wear and tear allowance at 25% and there. Remember we said we need 3 rates. So we go to the second one. Number 2, wear and tear allowance, WTA, at the rate of 50% in the first year, then 25% reducing balance from second year. So under this rate, what we are saying, the items that qualify for this wear and tear allowance, we give them first year 50%, then from the second year 25%, but on a reducing balance. So what we are trying to say here, we use the concept of investment deduction, the way I explain investment deduction. First year 50, then 25% reducing balance from second year, third, fourth, moving that way. So what are those items? Example or items in these categories include items in this category include a ship and aircrafts. Only those two, ships and aircraft. So you have them, you are supposed to claim the wear and tear allowance as I have explained there. So that is supposed to be wear and tear allowance at the rate of 50%, then 25% reducing the balance from second year. We say there are 3 rates. So the third one and the last one. So this is supposed to be number 3. WTA at the rate of 10%. So we need to know what are those items that we give the wear and tear allowance at the rate of 10%. So items in this category include all other items that assist to run the business other than those at the rate of 25% ships and aircrafts. That if you have any item that assists to run your business and it is not in the category of 25%, 25% generally we said there are 3 items: vehicles, computer disattachment, cash register and calculator. And that item again is not a ship or an aircraft, which we have said the rates are here. That item now qualify for wear and tear allowance at the rate of 10%. And you can look at any business. So what are those items? There are so many, but I'll just give a list of few. One of them is bicycle. Another one, fax machine. And take note of the fax machine, because fax machine, some people may argue, it is a computer attachment, but it isn't. It is not attachable to a computer, so it comes here. Another one is telephones. Telephones or mobile phones. We have partitions, CCTV cameras. We had the partitions, CCTV cameras. We also have the milking machine, or we call them farm machine, i.e. milking machines. We continue with the list. So we continue with the list of the wear and tear allowance items at the rate of 10%. So we have here, we talked of the milking machine or farm machine. We have another one is generator, water pumps, fans, paper shredders, manual cash register, etc., among any other. And take note of manual cash register, because here we talked about cash register under 25%. But if it is manual, then it comes to the rate of 10%. So any other item that you may come across that is used in the business, that assists to run the business and is not in 25, is not a ship or aircraft, then it will fall under this category.